Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Leah Lee. Cheese. Today I'm going to be showing and sharing you guys my June favorites. This is going to be everything from beauty, lifestyle, home, skincare. If there's anything, I have to think about that, but I don't think there is this time. So to pop this video off, y'all already know I have to do the biggest and the best shout out to my favorite perfume dupe company, Dossier. This is what we have here right now. The scent that I went out on a limb and tried this past month, you guys, was the Le Labo Te Nior 29 Eau de Perfume. And you guys, it is so far from what I normally prefer to smell like, but it smells so good at the same time. You know how like you just step out on the limb and like, all right, I'm gonna try something new, and then you end up loving it and you're like, wow, I never knew that I would like a scent like this. That's what this is. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know. Of course, y'all already know that this perfume comes with this information card. It lists all the ingredients, it lists the perfume that it is inspired by, and so many other details. Within this nice box that it comes with, it does come with a sample that I have already sprayed all of it up and out. For instance, if you were to smell the sample perfume and be like, oh, I don't really care for this, perfect. Package it back up. Do not even take out this official perfume. Just leave it as it is. Take the sample out. Make sure you keep this in the box and ship it right back to the company. Simple, easy peasy. But if you do love it, of course, you can keep your sample in your purse and keep your regular size at home, like I do all the mini that I have right there. So thank you so much, Dossier. You already know any coupon code, links, all of that, coins off is going to be down below in the description. So make sure y'all look at that, check it out, see all the other perfumes that I have. They have tons for women and men, so make sure you check it out. Best thing is, really quickly, best thing about this perfume company, this dupe company, is that all the perfumes are priced at $29. These are perfumes that are definitely going to be $100 and above, and you're getting them for $29. Just check it out. You will not be disappointed. Thank you, Dossier. So moving on, I do want to share some things that I have brought back into my life and my lifestyle, everyday, daily lifestyle that I've thought were kind of like normal, but some people also like point so many things out that I feel like is normal to myself, but I'm like, hey, you know what, this is something that I've kind of like brought back in. Let me share this and let them know what's going on. I always get complimented on how white my teeth are. Cheese. You guys, y'all see my little teeth gems? Y'all see my little teeth gems? Teeth gems now available at Glam by Leah Lee Spa. So come book your appointment and get your teeth gems done. How do I get them so white? Isn't like, what are you doing? Are you doing some natural strips? Are you doing some whitening strips? Are you going to the dentist? Blah, 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 blah. So many other things that I'm getting asked about, but it's none of those. I use the Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste, you guys, and I've been using Colgate exclusively, I want to say, for about 7 years. I'll switch in between different like actual lines in between this company. Like I was recently using like their charcoal just to use it and try it out. I really wasn't seeing like the boom bright white teeth that I was used to, so I've recently this month has been using this again, and I see a drastic difference in my teeth. Brushing 2 times daily, geez, and mouthwash as well, you will see a great difference in your smile. Going on, since we're on the path with what we are using to brush teeth, maybe I should go ahead and get into what I'm using pretty much daily or whenever I work out. So you guys, if you do not follow me on Instagram, on my personal page, my Leah Lee Instagram, I want to let y'all know that I recently shared like my fitness journey from February of this year to now the present month of basically late June, July. And you guys, I lost like 10 pounds. I dropped 10 pounds and like 3 inches off of my waistline, and I honestly could not be more happy. Now, I have been using this my entire time of working out. This gives me so much energy, and it doesn't have me crash. It doesn't have me feeling jittery as long as I mix it right and eat, of course. This is a pre-workout basically powder, and the flavor is the cherry limeade. I picked it up from GNC. You can order it online, of course, as well. You might actually get a better deal than it may be in the store. So just check it out and call your local GNC to see if they have the same deal going on. Now, this, I do want to say, it is like high quality natural caffeine. There is no sugar, there is no gluten, and it's vegan friendly. So if you want to give this a try, please pay attention to the directions, because if you don't, and if you're not actually working out and working out with it, burning calories and sweating, you're gonna feel like jittery and itchy. It might scare some people at first, but just start out really slow, like 1 scoop to maybe like 3 bottles of water in a big container, and after maybe like a few months, maybe boost yourself up to 2 scoops. I can do 2 scoops now and still feel like a little tingly within my body, within my limbs, but it feels normal to me. Once I start working out, I'm completely fine with it. So make sure you're eating as well. This will carve your appetite. I'm not going to lie. Some days where I know I'm going to have a busy day at the spa or just a busy day in general, and I know I'm going to work out later, I do drink this in the morning with a bunch of water. So throughout the day, I will not really be hungry, and that helps me as well with dropping weight like I wanted to. So this is like my best friend and kind of like an enemy all at the same time, because you still need to eat with it even though you won't be hungry at all. Moving on, I want to share fragrances. This is going to lead into the home section of this video. If y'all did not know, now you're going to know. Bath & Body Works was just having their semi-annual sale, and I'm a stickler and a sucker for candles, okay? And I like the more sweet, sometimes rustic, sometimes dry, spicy candles. I'm all over the place when it comes with candles and fragrances, clearly. I tried this candle, y'all. This is the Wild Berry Jam Donut Scented Candle. And when I tell y'all, this thing is gone. This thing smelled just like the best bakery that you can ever think of. And I honestly love coming home and smelling like sweet, just like, ooh, this is cozy smelling at home. Sometimes I want to smell fresh linen. Sometimes I just want to smell like apple pie, you know? So this candle was like a great scent. Simply, it was a great scent. Where's my other fragrance that I wanted to tell y'all about? Is it over here? Here it is. So first, we have this candle, which smelled great. And once it had burned down and the wicks were all gone, I laid it on my candle warmer so I could still burn the rest of it out, because listen, those candles, it was on sale, but it's still, I need to burn all of it to the point where it's nothing left. And then I'll just pour the wax out like in the trash can and then get rid of the jar. Lastly, with the home scents, I want to share this gingham spray. Now, I have this in a wall plug-in at the spa, and I have the room spray. I have a room spray at home and a room spray at the spa, y'all. This scent, oh my goodness, smells so good. You know what? I think I actually, it's not in the spa, it's in the car. I love this smell. Like, smells so refreshing and just clean. I like clean. I love clean. So even if the sale is not going on where you are anymore by the time this video drops, y'all still need to, if this is still in there, you need to go get it. I think this is one of those scents that is always in there in Bath & Body Works. So get this too and just be like, you know what? Leah told me to try this. I'm gonna try it. And you can be like, oh my goodness, she put me on. Thank you, girl. Lastly, I want to share something about beauty, the nails. I do my own nails. A lot of y'all are aware of that. Some of you aren't. If you don't know, now you know. Your girl be doing her own nails. So, and my own feet. I love this Orally Gel FX. Now this comes with like a kit, I think for like $80 or something like that. I did buy it from Cosmoprof. So if you are not like a licensed esthetician or hairstylist or nail tech, you may have to go to Sally's. Sally's is like the sister store of the Cosmoprof to pick this up, or you could just probably order it offline. This is the best and the easiest if you want to get into doing your own nails, whether they're long or whether they're short, whether you want to do with tips or whether you just want to do a natural overlay. This company, oh my goodness, So easy peasy. To use this, you are gonna need like an LED UV light. So make sure you pick that up as well, or just pick one, buy one off of Amazon, real easy peasy, get it ordered to the house. So this comes with the beginner kit. This is gonna come with like tip forms. This is gonna come with a finishing polish, like a clear coat finishing gel polish. And it's just the easiest thing for me to do my nails. They look so good, and it just looks so pretty, and like I save so much money doing my own nails and doing my own feet. So this is like my go-to nail products. Now this video has came to an end. I appreciate you so much if you watched this far. If you did, you know what to comment, pound dope. Thank you everybody. Y'all list some of your favorite fragrance and products that you've used within the month of June, or in general products that you use like consistently and that you're never going to change from. I cannot wait to read everyone's comments, and I will see y'all later. Bye y'all.